Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make steak bake. Let's get started. Diced skirt steak. Add a little salt, black pepper. Marinate the beef and set aside. Heat up some vegetable oil in a saucepan at medium heat. Add the marinated beef to the saucepan. Keep stirring. When the color is dark, remove the beef from the saucepan. Melt some unsalted butter. Add 1 chopped yellow onion. Minced garlic. Add some vegetable oil. Add the beef we just cooked. Add some plain flour. Mix them well. Mix 1 beef stock cube with 300 ml hot water. Then gradually add it to the beef. Keep stirring. It will begin to thicken. When the consistency like this, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Equally divide the puff pastry into 4 rectangles. Add some filling to the pastry, then fold it in half. Seal the edge with a fork. Preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. Brush the egg wash. Add some pattern before the oven. Bake them for 20 minutes. "20 minutes later, my steak bakes are ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, each steak bake cost me $3.70. I'm going to enjoy my steak bake with HP sauce. Thanks for watching my video.